Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the right needle and preparing the thread. This matters because size and stiffness control how easily the eye accepts the filament. Cut a 6 to 12 inch length. Too long tangles, too short is hard to handle. Trim the end on a steep diagonal to create a tapered point, then moisten or pull through a plastic threader. This aligns fibers and reduces fuzz. Once done, hold the needle steady between thumb and forefinger and position the trimmed thread to insert. You now focus on accuracy. Stabilize the needle close to the eye so it doesn't twist, and bring the thread tip in on a slight angle. This reduces the effective diameter as it passes. Pinch the thread about 1 to 2 millimeters from the end to compress fibers. This gives a firmer point and prevents fraying. If the eye is tiny, use a magnifier or bright lamp and move deliberately. Once the tip crosses the plane of the eye, push gently through until enough thread passes. You finish by pulling roughly 3 to 4 inches of thread through the eye. This gives a comfortable tail to start sewing. If you need more strength, fold the tail and use a double thread. Pinch the fold so it passes through cleanly. Tie a small knot at the end, or leave tails and secure with backstitch after your first few stitches. If the thread jams, stop, trim the frayed end, re-stiffen, or swap to a slightly thinner thread or larger eye and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.